Hello and welcome to station number 3, which is graphing equations of lines. What you're going to want to do, we're going to do 2 problems together, and then you're going to have 3 problems to work on alone. So we're going to first look at number 11 on your sheet. So f of x equals x plus 5. So first things first, when you graph a linear equation, is you're going to start with the y-intercept, which is this number alone. So I'm going to start at 5 on the y-axis because it's the y-intercept, right? Then I'm going to use my slope to move from that ordered pair. So my slope is right here in front of the x. Now, in this case, it's a 1 because there's no number there. And remember, slope is rise over run. So this would be 1 over 1. So I'm going to go up 1 to the right 1 to make my line. Then I'm going to go down 1 to also get a nice full line. So now I'm going to connect my dots, something like this, like that. Make sure I put arrows on the end so that I can see that I have done my arrow so that it looks nice and full, so then you can see that it goes on forever. So please make sure you put arrows on the end of your lines when you're graphing and be looking for that. We're also going to take a look at number 14, because number 14 is a little different. Oop, there should be no f of x there. My bad. 2x minus 5y equals negative 10. Here's why this is a little different. It's because it's in standard form. The x and the y are on the same side. When I have an equation that's like that, I like to use my intercepts to graph my equation. So basically that means 2x equals negative 10, because remember, we're going to cover up this negative 5y to find our x-intercept, right? So I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides, and I'm going to get x equals negative 5, which, remember, for a ordered pair, that would be negative 5 because I have the x, I don't have the y, so I'm going to put a 0 there because we canceled it out. Let's find the y-intercept then. So I'm going to get rid of the 2x right here. We're just going to be left with negative 5y equals negative 10. Let's divide by negative 5 on both sides. So I'm going to get y equals 2. So the ordered pair for that would be 0, 2. Let's graph those ordered pairs. Negative 5, 0 right here. And 0, 2 right here. And then I'm going to connect my dots. I think I'm going to fill in a little bit. So I went up 2 over 5. So I'm going to fill in my dots a little bit so that I get a nice full graph here. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get a nice straight line. Whoa. Still didn't get a straight line. There we go. Put some arrows on it. That would be the graph of my equation. So now what I'd like you to do is complete the last 3 problems on this particular station, and then when your group is finished, open up the folder and make sure that you have the correct equations and the answers. If not, call me over. See you later, Sabers.